Welcome to ADV Capital Academy and our Futures Trading course. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know about trading futures in less than 90 minutes. If you're a complete beginner and want to understand cryptocurrencies first, check out our free crypto trading course for beginners. Link is in the description. There you'll learn about Bitcoin and altcoins, different ways to make money in crypto, what futures trading actually is, as well as crypto pre-sales and much more. But in this course, we're going straight to the point. We start with technical analysis, the foundation of every successful futures trader. You'll learn how to identify market trends, read candlesticks and chart patterns, use trading indicators, and understand how price movements can be predicted. Next, we move to trading strategies, practical, simple, and tested. We'll show you the 3 most profitable strategies we use daily, with a win rate above 68%. 2-day trading strategies, ADV Crypto 12 and ADV Crypto Reversals, and 1 swing trading strategy, ADV Crypto Breakout. After that, we'll cover position management, one of the most important parts of futures trading. You'll also get a free position sizing calculator to help you manage risk and calculate exactly how much to invest per trade. Then, we'll show you how to create your own exchange account so you can start practicing and trading today. We recommend the 2 platforms we personally use every day. BitUnix Exchange. No KYC required, accessible worldwide, and ideal for students in the US, Canada, UK, India, China, and other restricted regions. Currently, our students receive a 20% deposit and trading bonus, plus reduced fees through our referral link. Bybit Exchange. One of the largest and most reputable platforms, offering $500 in futures trading bonuses for students who register via our link. Please note, Bybit is unavailable in the US, Canada, and a few other regions due to regulations. You can find all the latest campaign details and step-by-step guides in our blog posts. Links are provided in the description. Finally, make sure to join our Telegram channel for more lessons, market analysis, and crypto news so you can stay updated with everything happening in the trading world. We wish you massive success and steady profits on your trading journey. Enjoy the course, practice safely, and let's make 2026 the year of smart trading.